On to the UK, where asylum seekers entering the UK by boat will be deported to Rwanda. The UK's contentious policy to deport asylum seekers to Rwanda has got the nod from the High Court in London. Human rights defenders are to appeal against the ruling, saying the policy violates international law. More than 40,000 people have arrived by small boats across the English Channel, according to the British government reports. UK's deportation policy is intended to deter those crossing the English Channel in small boats. Britain and France signed an agreement recently to stem growing numbers of small boats carrying migrants to the British Isle. It comes at a time when some Western nations are taking a tough stance on accepting refugees. Britain is to pay Rwanda about £120 million for education and job training for those sent to Rwanda. Those granted asylum will not be allowed to return. For more on this, our correspondent Alex Izet has more. Take a look at this report.
The case to deport refugees to Rwanda has been rumbling on for a couple of years. In fact, there was potential to deport 8 people earlier this year, but they didn't get on that flight, and their cases are now currently being reviewed. But the High Court today has said that it is legal to be able to deport these people, not just those 8, but others as well. And it actually is not against the Refugee Convention or the human rights laws. Now, opposition campaigners and a lot of the migrant charities are saying that they will appeal this ruling that occurred today, and they will have their appeal heard on January 16th of next year. Up until that point, there won't be anyone that will be able to be deported, but it does look like it's a first step in Suella Braverman's push to ensure that this country, the UK, can actually do what it would like to do with the refugees that have come illegally into the country.